video of our 350,000 pound Aronson welding positioner, machine 6332, currently wired 460 volts. We're running it off a 100 amp service right now. We'll go ahead and I will tilt the head. Go ahead and run it flat. You do have a limit switch right here. That will stop it when it's flat and stop it when it's tilted. Now we'll go ahead and rotate the head. That is the fastest it will rotate. Now we'll stop it and rotate it back the other way. That's a video of our 350,000 pound Aronson welding positioner, machine 6332.